jumping today. There's a fisherman out on a boat. He throws out his net and hauls up his catch, heads back to the sandy shore, to a house by the dock with a door that don't lock, where there's music on the radio. It won't take too long, he'll be singing a song and cooking on an open stove. No, there ain't such a thing as the blue sky blues, at least they never happened to me. It's never been a mystery what keeps me coming back. It's the beaches and boats, the pirates and poets that got me hanging round down here. Somewhere south of somewhere, somewhere south of somewhere. So bright and dressed is so tight that I see ladies walking down the street, lovers romancing, barefoot and dancing, grooving to the tropic beat. In the sea of confusion, I kick off my shoes and catch her looking back at me. She flashes a smile, we laugh for a while, till she says you wanna dance with me. It's the tropical sun, it's a midnight run to an island or a distant shore that keeps me coming back for more, time and time again. It's the tacos and rice, the salsa and spice, the smell of the sea in the air. Somewhere south of somewhere, somewhere south of somewhere. And the palm trees are swaying like dancers, moving to the sound of the wind. No, there ain't such a thing as the blue sky blues, at least they never happened to me. It's never been a mystery what keeps me coming back. It's the beaches and boats, the pirates and poets that got me hanging round down here. I think I'll have another beer. Somewhere south of somewhere, somewhere south of somewhere, somewhere south of somewhere, somewhere south.